Here's a brief explanation of GHS for dealership managers regarding the OSHA December 1st deadline. And we'll cover what is GHS, how does it relate to your business, why should you care, and what should you do. GHS is the globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals. It's the result of 20 years of international meetings to unify chemical hazard information. OSHA has adopted GHS and gave it the force of law under its hazard communication standard. So how does this relate to your business? Every dealership with a service department, every body shop, and every vehicle detail department has chemicals that are flammables and combustibles, carcinogens and mutagens, compressed gas cylinders, corrosives, and more, typically about 90 to 150 regulated products at every new car dealership. Because you have employees, you're regulated by OSHA. And because you have these chemicals, you're regulated by OSHA's Hazard Communication Standard and now by GHS. So why should you care? Well, there are two reasons you may care. If you already have a hazard communication plan in place, you'll want to make sure it's up to date. If you've been managing MSDSs and conducting right-to-know training, you need them to be updated to be in compliance with the law. And if you don't have these things in place, know that OSHA gets pretty active when a deadline passes, and this is one of the biggest changes we've seen in OSHA regulations in decades. So what should you do about GHS? If you already have a program in place and just need GHS compliant training, we can deliver it for you easily and affordably. See the 800 number at the bottom of this page. If you don't have a program, don't make the mistake of just delivering training first and getting around to the rest of it later. Your employees in training will learn about all the things you aren't doing and may call OSHA. If you don't have a program and want to be compliant with GHS without getting into anything else, we have a pretty affordable offer available on this page. We've been doing this a long time for hundreds of dealerships in over 20 states, and we can handle all of this for you today.